Hey there, smoothie lovers! Today, I'm whipping up something that's as gorgeous as it is delicious. The Purple Power Smoothie. Trust me, this one's a showstopper, and it takes just 5 minutes. First things first, let's talk ingredients. For this smoothie, you'll need half a cup of frozen blueberries, half a cup of frozen blackberries, 1 small ripe banana, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Now grab your blender and toss everything in. Blueberries, blackberries, banana, protein powder, chia seeds, almond milk, ice. Pop the lid on and blend until it's silky smooth. About a minute should do the trick. It should look creamy and uniform. Here's a pro tip. If you want that Instagram-worthy swirl, pour a little almond milk around the inside walls of your glass before you pour in the smoothie. It makes the colors pop, and honestly, it just looks cool. Alright, time for the best part. Pour it out. Snap a picture if you're feeling fancy, and take a sip. It's creamy, refreshing, and bursting with berry flavor. Seriously, you'll never look at boring old smoothies the same way again. So whether you're powering through a busy morning, recovering from a workout, or just in need of a pick-me-up, this Purple Power Smoothie has got your back. Try it out, let me know what you think. And don't forget to show off your masterpiece in the comments. Thanks for blending with me today. See you in the next delicious adventure. Let's talk nutrition real quick. Each serving is just 322 calories, with only 3 grams of fat, a hefty 53 grams of carbs for energy, and a satisfying 24 grams of protein to keep you fueled. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. So you're not just treating your taste buds, you're doing your body a favor too. All right, time for the best part. Pour it out. Snap a pic and tag me if you try it. Take a sip. It's creamy, refreshing, and bursting with berry flavor. Whether it's morning, post-workout, or an afternoon pick-me-up, this has got your back. Try it out and tell me what you think in the comments. Thanks for blending with me today. See you in the next delicious adventure.